children, today I am going to explain you the linear equation in two variables. That is lesson number 1 of algebra. In algebra, in linear equation in two variables, already explanation has been completed. The subtopics I will tell you. Linear equation in two variables, and then determinant method, Cramer's rule, and then elimination method, and then here now right now applications of simultaneous equation. So this is a simultaneous equation we are going to applying in the another examples. Let us see how to we have to formations of the x and y, and then we can solve the answers of x value and y value. So let us go the example. What is the example here given? Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and the thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Here two numbers given. So what is the two numbers? We don't know. That means in the sum not given anything at all. The two numbers we have to imagine ourselves, that is that x and y, because the lesson is linear equation two variables. Two variables means always we have to think if the numbers not given, we have to think ourselves only, that is x and y we should consider. So that is the difference is 3. So let the two numbers be x and y, and that their difference, both numbers between their both numbers is 3. So from the first condition, this is the first condition, two numbers differ by 3 means here what is the difference between two numbers? X minus y is difference means minus. That is difference x minus y equal to 3. That is the equation number 1 formation we have done that. Next one from second condition. What is the second condition? Sum of twice the smaller number. Sum means addition of twice the smaller number and the thrice the greater number is 19. Means the sum from the second condition, the sum of the twice the smaller number means and the thrice the greater number. Always whenever we are subtracting, first part is coming, first number is coming greater and the smaller number is coming smaller. Second number means we are subtracting the smaller number in the greater number. So here smaller number means always that is the y here. Smaller number is the sum of twice the smaller number. Smaller number is subtracting in the greater number. So smaller number is y, that is means twice. Twice means 2 multiplied by y, 2 times of the y, and then this next one, and thrice the greater number. What is the thrice of the greater number? Is 3 times of the greater number. Always the first number will be the greater when we are subtracting. So that means that is 3x. The first number is here 3x 2y. 3x plus 2y equal to both numbers addition of this, both sum means addition. Both numbers after adding we are getting the 19. So this is the equation we have done the formation. That is called an equation number 2. Then let us go multiplying equation 1 by 2. Why should we multiply? What is the necessary to multiply? Here equation formation we have done. Why we are multiplying? Because we have to get the x value and y value. So to find out the x value and y value, we have to equalize one variable, either x, otherwise y. We have to equalize, that is this is the either x or a y, we have to equalize. So this is the first equation, we have to multiply by 2. Why should we multiply by 2? Why don't we do that by 3? Because here in the second equation 2y variable is there. So here also we are multiplying here. These two same y is coming equal. 2y. Then we can eliminate, we can find out one variable value. So let us this x minus y equal to 3 multiplying by 2. If we multiply that, that is 2x minus 2y equal to 6 means 2x, this is here 2 into x 2x minus 2 into y 2y, 3 to the 6, that is called an equation 3. So adding the equation 2 and 3, which one? This is the equation 2 here written and the equation 3 here we have to written. And then what is the equation 2 here? 3x, this is the equation we have written over there. 3x plus 2y equal to 19 and 3x we got here 2x. Equation 3 is 2x minus 2y equal to 6. That is we have written by adding equation. These two equations we are adding. Why don't you can ask that again. Why don't we put the third equation upside and second equation downside? But here the values which is greater value, the first number greater value should be written on the top side when we are subtracting or adding that one. So here that means here the equation to get the value of x, we have to add in the both the equations. 3x plus 2y equal to 19 and 2x minus 2y equal to 6. And then when 1 plus 1 minus sign is coming, that is a subtraction. That is, for example, we want, that means I will explain here, 1 plus 1 minus. For example, here 5 minus 5. We are getting 0. Means here nothing is there. That is a positive sign it is there. Means 1 plus 1 minus is 0. Means we have to eliminate that. Why? Because plus 2 plus minus 2, that is a 0 comes. That's why we are eliminating, equal to 19 and 16. So here after adding these two, 5x equal to 19 plus 16. 19 plus 6 is 25. So x equal to 25. X equal to this is the 25. This is the here in the between. We are having a multiplication sign. So 5x means between that multiplication comes when we are taking to the right hand side, that is divided. That means dividing that. So x equal to 25. 25 upon 5. When we are doing that means subtraction, that is getting 5. So x equal to 5. We got the one variable value, that is x equal to 5 we got. So substitute the value of x equal to 5 in the equation 1. We get equation 1 is here x minus y equal to 3. That is we have to write here x minus y equal to 3. That is the first equation. So we have to substitute, means x value x nikal do, and we have to write down the minus 5 minus y as it is equal to 3. Then y equal to, here for example, now the y value we have to find out. To find the y value, we have to keep, that means 5 should be taken on right hand side of equal to. So minus 5, this is the 5 we are keeping here, and 5 is taken to the right hand side. So minus y equal to 3 minus 5. Minus y equal to, after subtracting this one, 3 minus 5, that is greater sign is 5, so that's why minus 2 comes. So y equal to, if we are removing minus y minus y and minus 2, means removing this one minus, we are getting, that is y equal to 2. So the two numbers y equal to b, the two numbers will be, means x value will be that 5 and y value will be the 2 respectively. Okay, bye.